Good evening, everyone. My name is Rex Aguirre, and I'm the president and founder at Premier Systems Design. I'm a technology designer, and my firm specializes in smart home solutions for luxury properties.
Hi, my name is Ashley Bancroft, and I also work with Premier Systems Design. We are here at the Lutron showroom today to do an event called Set the Mood, which is all about luxury living, hiding your technology, making everything seem so seamless without being able to see what is going on the background. Hiding your technology is so important because everything is all about aesthetic these days. You want to be able to use the technology and utilize it, but not be able to see it. And that is what Lutron and Leon help us to accomplish.
Hi, I'm Noah Kaplan, founder and president of Leon Speakers. We're here today at the D&D building in New York City, and we're going to focus on how we blend design and technology in modern luxury spaces. The vision of Leon Speakers has always been about mixing art with audio and design with technology, and today we're going to talk about just that. Come check it out.
Locked in a stalemate with many bars, no rules. Rock in a hard place, he's battery control. What am I waiting for? Feet planted beneath my compass, my train.